Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Extension, and today I am going to discuss about the factors affecting personality. Before moving towards the main topic, firstly, we will get some idea about the personality. Firstly, we will see the meaning of personality. Personality is the total quality of an individual. The word personality is derived from the Latin word persona, which means mask worn by the players in the theater. Then we will move towards definitions of personality. First definition of personality is that personality is the quality of an individual's total behavior. Second one is that personality is the unique, integrated, and organized system of all behavior of a person. It is the sum total of one's experience, thoughts, and actions. Now we will discuss about the factors affecting personality. There are total 8 to 9 factors which affect the personality of an individual. These are first one environmental factors, second one physical factors, third one situational factors, fourth one is hereditary, fifth one is family and social factors, sixth one is cultural factors, seventh is intelligence, and last one is sex differences. Now we will discuss one by one. First one is environmental factors. Among the factors that exert pressures on our personality formation are the culture in which we are raised, our early conditioning, the norms among our family, friends, and social groups, and other influences that we experience. These environmental factors play a substantial role in shaping our personalities. It establishes the attitudes, values, norms, and perceptions of an individual. The environmental factors also include the neighborhood a person lives in, his school, college, university, workplace, friends, parents. Everybody plays a role as the determinants of one's personality. Then second one is physical factors. There are many physical factors which will determine a person's personality. These physical factors include the overall physical structure of a person, his weight, height, color, sex, beauty, body language, etc. Physical factors are one of the major reasons for that. Most of the physical structures change from time to time, and so does the personality. Then third one is situational factors. The situational factors can be commonly observed when a person behaves contrastingly and exhibits different traits and characteristics. In this way, situational factors impact a personality in a significant way. Then next factor is hereditary factors. Heredity refers to those factors which were determined in conception: physical structure, facial attractiveness, gender, temperament, muscle composition, energy level, and biological rhythms are the characteristics that are generally considered to be either completely or substantially influenced by the parents. Heredity predisposes a certain mental, physical, and emotional states. It has been established through research that those psychological characteristics can be transmitted through hereditary. However, such conclusive proof is not available for the human beings. Then next factors, family and social factors. Family and social groups have the most significant impact on personality development. Parents and other family members have a strong influence on the personality development of the child. Parents have more effect on personality development as compared to the other members of the family. Besides a person's home environment and family members, there are other influences arising from social factors like friends, neighbor, relative, etc. These groups have their impact through socialization and identification process. Then next is cultural factors. Culture is the underlying determinant of human decision making. It generally determines attitude towards independence, aggression, competition, and cooperation. Each culture expects and trains its member to behave in a way that is acceptable to the group. The next one is intelligence. There is definitely some relationship between intelligence and personality. Intelligence is mainly hereditary. Persons who are very intelligent can make a better adjustment in home, school, and society than those who are less intelligent. Then, last category of factors affecting personality is sex differences. Boys are generally more assertive, tough minded, and vigorous. They have better need to succeed with regard to interest and aptitudes. Boys show interest in machinery and outdoor outdoor activities. They prefer adventures. But girls are less vigorous, they are quieter and interested in personal appearance. They are more injured by personal, emotional, and social problems. Thus, sex differences play a vital role in the development of the personality of an individual. So, these are the factors which affect personality. Thank you.